Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Subaru Legacy Touring Wagon 4x4. It comes with the 2.5 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Legacy has 38,983 miles. This is a four-wheel drive vehicle. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. Comes with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also go away. The number at the bottom, I'm not let me see. I don't think y'all can see it. Yep, there we go. 62,737. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 38,983. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank y'all so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.